Hi guys, today I'll show you how to I increase my balance with $1 to $1,000. I'll do it in the live, so just watch and enjoy the video. Let's start. So here we are on the pocket option and we move on to our first concept. So our balance $1, we start our deal down deal. Quite simple. We open down. Yeah, we see plus deal. Quite simple, quite fast. We increase our deal amount. Up and down deal also. We see some cancellation, some reversal, and now we are just we see it's a plus deal. Good, perfect. And we go on. Third concept, we quickly open the deal for the third time for a decrease. We see the trend, it's quite cyclical, like up or down, so good. Yeah, also we see plus deal. It's perfect, it's simple. Fourth concept, and what we see up deal. Why we see some consolidation. From this consolidation we still go up a little, some pullback to this point. Yeah, technical analysis works completely correctly. And we go on to the fourth concept. Here we start our deal down. It's very simple concept. We see the upper position, 2 seconds. Yeah, we see plus deal. If you're struggling to understand trading indicators or disappointed with the results, you're probably losing money. My free trading team is here to help you. Every day I share trading signals that you can copy manually or automatically by connecting to my social trading. I'm always ready to help you at every step. If you need to make $50 or even more, $1,000 per day, join my Telegram group now and you'll find interesting stories of new buys and real results. The number of places is limited, so do not miss the chance. Join today and start your profitable trading. And we move on to the next concept. So here we opened down deal. Support area we see, we highlighted. We see global trend is down. Yeah, plus deal, plus $50. And this amount we set to the next concept. Up and up. We start our technical analysis. Yeah, some cyclical movements again, like up, down, so in principle all my students, so to say, traded like this. I'll remind you that I have my Telegram channel. Follow this and we see, yeah, down deal. We see that, yeah, plus deal in 2 seconds. Yeah, as I said, good. And we move on. This concept, open deal down. We see some points and candles are like decreasing. So $354. We increase our balance, our deal amount, and we move on to the last concept. Open up, quick technical analysis, we see that we have a fairly confident upward trend, and the reversal we don't have any insights. Yeah, perfect. Our deal closed in the plus, so let's set the amount of the next deal to $500, and we move on to the first concept, and we finally get our 1,000 that I promised to you. So we see some, yes, reversal. Good. Plus deal, and what we see, we have more than $1,000 on our balance. So it was live. I remind you, all the information you need you can find in my Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description. Just go to my Telegram channel, find me, and use it. It's all absolutely for free. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.